Let's have a think about the letter O. So we form O from C. C is lift and round and bump and stop. And O is lift and round and bump and keep going up to touch. Here are some of the things to watch out for. If you come down too quickly with that C base, then it may be that you get gapping, that O isn't complete, and that can end up looking like a U in words. If you start on this side and come down and you realise you need to complete it, you can end up overshooting, and that means you end up on this side of O, which isn't helpful for later on when you want to join O to other letters. So sometimes it can look like it's absolutely fine because you come round, you just join over here, but if we get used to that, it's not helpful when we want to join, and what can end up happening then is that you have to end up looping back through like this. Whereas when we do it on this side, we're in just the right place to join on from there. Now again, if you come down too quickly, which is the most common thing, and you realise another thing you might try and do is come up quickly, and you end up with a very small, thin O. This one again looks nice, but we don't want to go clockwise. We don't want to go round that way. That's a bit more difficult for our brains because so many of our letters are used to going anti-clockwise because of their C-based use. So if we start going that way, it's just a different movement for our brains to coordinate. So it's about halfway between the lines, and it's lift and round and bump and keep going up to touch.